Welcome to our channel, where we bring you short and informative topics. Let's get started. Hello kids, today I am going to tell you about Parrot. A parrot is a very colorful bird. It has pretty feathers in red, blue, green, and yellow. Parrots can copy sounds and even talk. They love to chat and sing. Their curved beaks help them eat yummy fruits and seeds. Parrots can fly high in the sky. They live in warm places like rainforests. Parrots are smart and can learn new words. They like to play with their friends. Parrots are fun birds that make people smile. If you like our video, please like and subscribe. You can also download the worksheet for free from the video description.